Good morning. Look, I got sunburnt. So we're gonna do a day tour, and it goes to Potter Island, Komodo Island, Pink Beach. We don't know what it's gonna be like because it was raining really hard this morning. But we're just doing a one-day tour because it's rainy season right now, so staying on the boat during the nighttime is not always ideal because you don't know what the weather will be like. So we decided just to do a one-day tour. We don't know how it's gonna go, so let's see. Hopefully it's sunny.
We made it.
We are at Potter Island. Oh, look how blue the water is.
The beach is done.
It's so beautiful. So now we are going to hike. They say it could take anywhere between 15 to 45 minutes. All depends on how fast we are.
Yeah, but the island is really beautiful.
We got to see some dolphins when we were sitting on the boat, swimming next to us, and it's been such a perfect day.
Yeah.
It's raining a little in the distance, but hopefully it won't rain during our hike. So let's see. See you at the top.
We made it.
We're here. We're hot and sweaty.
Yeah, but it's really worth it for the view.
Yeah, the view is so beautiful. And we've been sitting up here for maybe about 30 minutes. And I just am in awe. It only took us about 15 minutes to get up here. And it's just a bunch of stairs. So you just take stairs all the way up. Really hot right
You
now.
have to bring water, of course.
Yeah.
But the view from the top is really worth it.
It's so beautiful and just so peaceful. I've been sitting just, enjoying everything.
And we will show you the view.
Yeah. Okay, so we just finished here and now we're gonna head to Pink Beach. We are at Pink Beach and it's actually pink.
Yeah, it's really pink. It's so beautiful. I will show you how pink this sand here. See. And the view, so beautiful. And the water is so beautiful. Finally, we just arrived in the most iconic island. We arrived at Komodo Island and we want to see Komodo dragon.
I don't know if I want to see.
Yeah.
The guy freaked me out telling me.
Tell the story like this guy.
telling me stories about dragons attacking made me nervous.
Yeah, like we a little scary about the dragon, but also we are curious. Yeah.
You taught me to zigzag if they chase you. Zigzag
Yeah.
run.
Yeah, we are at the Komodo Island right now.
And I just saw a baby one, and that one
Yeah.
scared me, and it was only this big.
Honestly, we are so scary.
They can just run at you so fast.
Yeah, but it's beautiful
Yeah.
to see the last Komodo dragon in the wall.
And we're happy that they do live freely. You know, they're
Yeah.
not like tied or encaged. They just walk around, which
Just free
how they
and
should be.
That's
But I was still scared.
yeah. Hopefully, like everything gonna be fine. If you got to Komodo Island, it's feel like in Jurassic Park. Really, it's so scary. You want to say something?
No.
Okay, we just find the Komodo. But it's not a big one, but at least we saw the Komodo, right?
Big
Yeah.
belly.
We find the baby Komodo, but I'm not sure you can see.
This is around 2 years old. 3 years
Oh,
old.
they run away.
Around 3 years old. Kurang lebih sekitar 3 tahun.
3 tahun.
Oh, with this
Not baby.
Oh, not baby.
teenager.
It's around
It's like a teenager.
Kok cuek gitu deh ya?
We saw it. It wasn't as scary as I thought, but it's bigger than I thought as a baby. Only 2 years old. He's like this big.
Tuh.
Okay, we decided to separate with the group. Like just me and Melissa with the ranger
Not
to keep walking. The rest of the group they decided to just back and then watch the Komodo near the office. But we want to some adventure, enjoy the nature and like, explore the island. Choop. We find a poop of Komodo dragon. Get close of the poop. We find a poop. At least we find something. We just find the big one of the Komodo dragon, and they really exist. It's like so big.
You behave me. I'm special to protect you. I'm ranger for you.
Our hero here.
Big.
Because this is still all, eh?
Old one.
Yeah, all one. You see the skinny, very skinny.
Oh,
Yeah, this is around 35 years old.
Oma or Oppo?
Oppo. Because this is size of the male dragon, eh? Because small more bigger than
He looks
female.
dead.
Female small size and then male big size. This is for male one. And then Komodo dragon, when they two all like this one, not many active to hunting their prey. Because still lazy.
There's another one over there. I see that.
Ya, another order. Itu yang di sana itu yang.
yeah, we met with the two Komodo dragon. It's nice. It's like a good experience. We're learning a lot from the rangers.
Yeah, we saw a grandpa, we saw a lady one, we saw a 2-year-old, and we saw a baby.
Yeah, that's perfect.
We saw all that we need to. But I'm still so scared.
Yeah, but it's a really great experience.
Yeah, except for the grandpa.
Yeah, it's like kind of
sweet.
sad.
after Komodo Island, we went to Taka Makassar Island, where Ferry got to fly the drone and I went snorkeling. And after that, we got to swim with some manta, which was really cool. We would be on the boat, and then all of a sudden the instructor would be like, jump in, jump in. So we would jump in and get to see them for a couple minutes, and then they keep on moving. And then we got to see a baby shark. And so after swimming with the manta and seeing the baby shark, we went to Kanawa Island, and we just relaxed. I hid in the sun because I was sunburned, and Verdi just swam around the island, but it was like we had our own private island, so it was so relaxing. And it was a perfect day for a one-day tour.